Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first item you're going to be using for today's hair growth remedy are carrots. You can use one big carrot, but because these carrots are not that big, I decided to use two of them. So I'm just going to I've already washed the carrots, so I'll use my grater now to grate the carrots. Guys, you can blend it if you feel like, but I didn't want to go through the stress of blending it in a blender, taking it out and all of that, so I used my grater. I used the smaller side so that it will blend nicely. So it's a choice either to use a blender or a grater. So as usual, you guys know that I won't just come here to make a video on how to grow your hair and not tell you guys the benefits of the items I'm using. So carrots contain what is called beta carotene, and that keeps your hair soft and shiny. And we all know that carrot contains vitamin A and vitamin E, and that also helps to stimulate your hair growth, and it also makes your roots much stronger. So guys, don't sleep on carrots. Carrot has a whole lot of other benefits that I may not have time to mention, but carrots are very good for your hair. So you can see that I've grated it. I'm done grating it, so I'll set that aside and move on to the next item. So the next item I'm going to use is onion. I'm using two medium-sized onions, but you can use one big one if you have. And also you can grate it or blend it. It's a matter of choice. So I'll be grating this as well. And as soon as I started grating it, I could see the liquid coming out. You know, onions contains a whole lot of liquid. So as soon as I'm done grating it, I'll move on to the next item. So we all know that onions is very good for hair as well. It promotes hair growth, it prevents hair loss, and it provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. So guys, I'm telling you again, do not sleep on onions. Very helpful for your hair. And as soon as I'm done, I'll set it aside and move to the next item. So now that I'm done grating the onions, I'm going to strain it to extract the juice. You can use a muslin cloth if you want. I decided to use this small sieve, and it was okay because the quantity wasn't that much. So just strain it, extract as much juice as you can. Make sure you don't let the chaff enter the juice you're extracting. This sieve I'm using has very tiny holes, so even though I'm using a spoon to press it, the chaff did not pass through. So guys, this is the quantity of juice I got from the onion, and this is just about enough. So next, I'm going to strain the carrot as well to extract the juice. So for the carrots, I'm going to use a muslin cloth to strain it. So it's still a matter of choice, but I feel like this cloth will help me squeeze it better to extract the juice. So this is the quantity of juice I have now with the onions and carrots combined. So guys, I'm going to go on to the next item now, which is lemon. Lemon is very essential to hair as well. It contains vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. Lemon contains many other nutrients that strengthens the hair follicles and encourages new hair growth. Lemon also deeply cleanses the scalp and hair follicles. It restores healthy pH levels, and it also removes buildup of products, oil, and pollutants in your hair. Lemon also has natural antifungal properties that helps put dandruff under control. Lemon also contains antioxidants and nutrients that help grow your hair from even dormant hair follicles. So guys, lemon juice is very essential to hair, so don't sleep on it. So guys, I don't have the manual lemon hand juicer, so I'm just squeezing it with my hand, and this is the quantity I have. And the instruction says to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so what I got is just about enough. So I'm going to measure it, 2 tablespoons, and add to the juice I obtained from the onion and carrots. So the last item I'll be adding to this remedy is extra virgin olive oil, and the instruction says 2 tablespoons as well, so I'm going to measure that and add to what I already have. Oops, I almost poured too much, but don't worry, I'm going to substitute with the next spoon. So yes, that's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and that's all the items you're going to need for this remedy. So now I'm just going to stir this properly. Guys, make sure you stir it very well so that it is well combined and one ingredient is not sitting on one side, the other one is not sitting at the bottom. Make sure you stir everything so it is well combined. So now that I'm satisfied, I'm just going to transfer it into my bottle. So guys, when you're done transferring it to your bottle, you can apply it on your hair, wear a shower cap, and let it sit for 15 minutes. You can let it sit for over an hour. There's still nothing wrong about that. But when you're done, you wash it off with mild shampoo. And for effective results, do this at least once a week. If you can repeat this twice a week, still fine. It's all going to work in your advantage. So guys, that's all about today's video. This is the quantity I got, which was more than enough. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, share the video as well, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.